Excuse me, sir. Please place your bag under the seat. Thank you. Excuse me, sir. Please turn your table away, please. Thank you.
Ma'am, can you please put your window shades up? Thank you.
So good day, ma'am. So you are seated in the emergency exit. So are you willing and be able to assist?
Sure.
Okay. So in case of emergency, you may be asked to assist in opening for the exit for helping other passengers to evacuate. So please refer to our instructions and our safety card. So for our demonstration, so as you see, this is the door, right? So you have to twist it like this and just push forward. Okay?
Okay.
Understand?
Noted.
Thank you so much.
Cabin crew, arm door.
Cabin crew, arm door.
Cabin crew, prepare for takeoff.
Cabin crew, take off positions.
One thousand feet, 5,000 feet, 10,000 feet, 15,000 feet, 20,000 feet, 30,000 feet. Seatbelt signs off.
Sir, would you like to join us for snacks? So we have water, soda, and coffee. Which one would you like to
Just water.
Okay, that's right. And for snacks, we have cheesecake, crab chocolate cake, and macaron. Which would you like?
Mama.
You, sir.
Sir, would you like to join us for snacks?
Sure.
For drinks, we have apple juice, soda, and water. What drinks would you like to have?
I'll take water, please.
Please drink water. And for snacks, we have mamon, fudge bar, and lemon.
I'll have them on.
Mamon. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
1,000 feet, 5,000 feet, 10,000 feet, 15,000, 20,000, 30,000 feet. Seatbelt signs off.
Hello, ma'am. Would you like to join us for snacks?
That's me.
For drinks, we have water, soda, apple juice. What do you like?
I have one.
Water. For snacks, we have biscuits, hamon, and apple cake. What do you like?
I would like to take biscuits.
Okay. Such takeover to go at the evening. Captain, this is Manuel. The permission to enter the cockpit. Balik. Captain, what's your situation?
It's very unfortunate that we will be having an emergency landing at Sahara Desert at approximately 30 minutes. Infants must be with their parents, elderly must stay away from the exit, jewelry, pointed shoes, and any sharp objects must be removed. Do you copy, person?
Okay, so let me repeat. We'll be having a emergency landing in Sahara Desert in approximately 29 minutes. Infants must be with their parents, elderly must be seated away from the exit, as well as any jewelry, pointed shoes, and any sharp objects must be removed. So they the same thing.
You can go.
Cabin crew, proceed to the front. Alright, so we'll be having an emergency landing in the Sahara Desert in approximately 28 minutes. All the infants must be with their parents. Elderly must be seated away from the exit, and any jewelry, pointed shoes, and any sharp objects must be removed. Am I clear?
Yes. As I recall, we will be having an emergency landing at the Sahara Desert at approximately 27 minutes, and infants must be with their parents, and elderly must be seated away from the exit. All pointed pills, jewelries, and any sharp objects must be removed. Am I clear?
Yes, that's clear. So if you don't have any more questions, we'll synchronize our watch, 27 minutes. Okay? No more questions?
None.
Okay, prepare the cabin. Cabin crew, prepare the cabin.
Sir, patay mo ng bag. Guys, palagay ng bag sa
Sir,
ilalim.
patay mo yung hikaw.
Patanggal ko na
Sir,
yung hikaw.
patanggal po yung heels.
Everyone mix positions, everyone mix positions, everyone mix positions.
Cabin crew, brace positions.
Emergency, bend down! Emergency, bend down! Emergency, bend down!
Emergency, bend down! Emergency, bend down! Emergency, bend down!
Go! Open seatbelts, evacuate! Open seatbelts, evacuate! Open seatbelts, evacuate!
Open seatbelts, evacuate! Open seatbelts, evacuate! Open seatbelts, evacuate!
Exit this way, get out! Exit this way, get out! Exit this way, get out!
Exit this way, get out! Exit this way, get out! Exit this way, get out! Checking for window passengers! Checking for window passengers! Service distance! Everyone stay together! Everyone stay together! Everyone stay together!
Captain, all passengers have been evacuated. We need to evacuate now.